Your leg days are too easy. If you actually want to grow some muscle, you actually have to put in some work. To the point where you're standing by the fan in the back corner of the gym, contemplating life and if this really does matter. It in fact does matter. Alright, let's get into it. This is arguably my favorite leg day. I love quads. I love hammies, but I love quads. So I start out with quad extensions. I usually do 3 to 4 sets. This is just for a warm-up, just to get some blood flowing into my quads. Everybody has their own thing for warm-ups. I just like to do this. Very cut dry. I try to kind of go to failure, but this isn't where the real workout is. So I jump onto the pendulum because this is the best thing that's ever been invented. Thank you, Mr. Pendulum. Whatever the backstory, gym lore is between the pendulum and who invented it, thank you so much. I've literally joined gyms just for the fact that they had a pendulum. And I've literally paid $70 for gyms just because they had a pendulum. Like, that's fucking important to me. This is the key to growing your legs. If you don't like to do regular squats or hack squats, you're gonna get the best range of motion. Again, I do about 4 to 5 sets just because I'm a menace and I'm usually only doing these like once a week. And again, the last set, I kind of try to go to failure. You can go to failure on this equipment because you just sit there and you don't die. Unlike a barbell, I don't know, very questionable. So I'm doing a second compound on this quad day because I'm a menace. I love quads, I love the burn, and I actually kind of like this hack squat. A lot of hack squats I don't like because I'm too short and these are built for like behemoth human beings. This one's okay, but I still have like foam pads on my shoulders to help me get some more range with the hack because it bottoms out a little too soon because I'm short, like I said. I try to drive my knees out past my toes because that way I get more tension in the quads because it's quad day. Again, it is me doing 4 sets. The last set, I kind of just try to go till failure. This is another thing that you can go till failure on and not die. The barbell, again, questionable. This, you're totally fine. You just sit there and look embarrassed, and then you get up because everyone's like cheering you on because you went till failure. That's life. I'm a big believer in resting between sets. I will be sitting on my ass, catching my breath in between all my sets because I will pass out. So I'm gonna catch my breath and then we're gonna jump into the next thing. So we're doing Bulgarian split squats. I do these for hammies and I do these for quads. This is more quad bias because I'm allowing my knee to go over my toe more. There is some glute and ham going on here, but that's fine with me. I don't mind if this dump truck keeps getting bigger. 4 to 12 sets. I'm doing 4 sets. I would do 4 to 12, but we get the work done. And then again, I sit and I rest. I don't rush the next leg because there's no point in being out of breath doing the next side. And then you do the next side. It takes a little while because you have to do both sides, you have to rest, but this is so good to do a unilateral exercise on quad days, hammy days, just to put the focus fully on one leg, even fix some imbalances if you have them. And again, I end with quad extensions with a drop set though, 3 drop sets. So I go down in some weight in between every single about 10 reps. And again, these are the same clips from the beginning because I forgot to record that in the beginning, but you don't see shit. This again, you will not get injured. Go till failure. And especially when you keep going down in weight, it's okay to keep going till failure. You're doing less and less weight. It's all mental. It's not that heavy. You're going less and less weight. But yeah, this is my quad day typically. Love this day. If I could do quads 5 days a week, I absolutely would. And this is how you grow your quads, by actually putting in work and looking like a psychopath during every set, after every set, and then pacing, trying to catch your breath. But I don't know, maybe some people don't want to make any gains. I personally do. Well, thanks for watching.